Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kimmery and welcome to Research 770. I'm looking forward to working with each and every one of you through our 10-week quarter, this winter quarter. Each week in our course, you're going to have deliverables, assignments, where you're going to be either working together or working individually to produce some artifacts for the course. More information on that to follow, but know that you will be doing some group work, working together in a team, as well as giving a lot of peer feedback. There is some writing in this course. You will have papers due in this course, and we will have opportunities to have conversations about that work as we move on. I do like to have weekly coffee talk sessions or open office hour sessions, and I will post those times every week for you. But if you ever need to get a hold of me for any reason, please do not hesitate to email me. Please reach out, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. I look forward to working with all of you in this course. I think there's 7, but maybe 8 of you, as we kind of dig further and deeper into research and research understanding and the research principles that you're going to need as you go on in your careers. So, welcome. I look forward to working with all of you, and I will see you on January 7th.